If I turn the wheel to the right hard, it does that now. All of a sudden. If I go left, it does that. So there's our new sound. This sound happens. I think you already knew this one. Hard right turn. Go left now. Hard left turn. Alright. Alright, there's center.
Wait, no, that's not the same one. This had a chair.
There it starts.
But it was in the same place and it had a
Other side.